Hi everybody, I'm super excited to kick off another installment of Miniature Millinery. This time we're joined again by Sherry Fuller and we are going to take a look at making straw hats in miniature. We're going to kick things off with a super easy tutorial. This first one uses a circle braided placemat, and with it you can create both a girl size hat and a doll size hat. It's a super cute project and it'll be a really fun way to kick things off. Then for parts 2, 3, and 4, we're going to take a human size straw hat and Sherry's going to show you how to cut that apart carefully and use it to create 3 different doll size hats. We're going to create looks for both historical and modern styles. So we'll have a soft crown Regency bonnet and a poke bonnet for the historical look, and then we'll have a very cute summery sun visor for the modern doll with a little bit of a vintage feel. So I encourage you to join us for this topic. It's going to be a lot of fun to learn from Sherry as she shares with us all of her knowledge in this little world of miniature millinery.